Want to glow up in 1 week? Well, let's not waste any time and get right into it. Step 1. Skincare. Gentlemen, you're only as old as your skin looks. Recent studies have shown that guys who take care of their skin not only look younger, but also have a certain charm that's hard to resist. So, a good skincare routine is like a secret weapon in your glow-up arsenal. But remember, before you use skincare products, you should consider patch testing it on yourself to see if it causes irritation. Next, let's talk about the routine provided by Dr. Tomasian itself. During the day, start by washing your face with a gentle cleanser, followed by the application of a vitamin C serum to brighten and protect your skin. Then moisturize to keep your skin hydrated, and don't forget the crucial last step of applying SPF to shield yourself from the sun's harmful rays. At night, repeat the cleansing process and incorporate retinol into your routine. It smooths and refines the skin's texture, enhances skin radiance, and treats aging. However, retinol might cause irritation. So if you have sensitive skin like me, a fantastic alternative to retinol is bakuchiol. It offers the same benefits without causing irritation. I recommend the Dermalogy Real Bakuchiol Firming Serum by Neogen. Lastly, finish the routine with a moisturizer. Step 2. Fashion sense. Just as Hall of Fame quarterback Deion Sanders once said, if you look good, you feel good, and if you feel good, you play good. So here's how you can do it. First, download Pinterest and explore different styles until you find one that suits you best. There are popular styles like old money, soft boy, or skater boy, but the key is to find something that reflects your personality and makes you feel comfortable and confident. Now let's talk about the golden rule of fashion. Fit is king. You want to make sure your clothes fit properly. You want to dress according to your body type. If you have short legs, try high-waisted trousers to balance out the proportions. Trust me, when your clothes fit just right, you'll feel like $1,000,000. When it comes to color coordination, start with the basics and choose a neutral base, like black, gray, white, or navy. Once you have the basics, you can start to experiment with more colorful statement pieces and accessories. Speaking of accessories, they can be real game changers. Consider adding a cool watch and stylish rings to elevate your entire outfit. Now, let's tackle the big debate, sneakers or dress shoes? The answer is both. Invest in a versatile pair of sneakers that you can dress up or down depending on the occasion. And for those formal events, a sleek pair of dress shoes will have you looking sharp and sophisticated. Personally, I can recommend buying the Doc Martens 1461s as dress shoes, which can also be worn more casual. Step 3. Hairstyle. If you ever doubted that hair is important, just know that, unfortunately, we live in a world where girls will lose feelings for a guy over a haircut. So here's a burning question you should ask yourself. What hairstyle will make you stand out and leave a lasting impression? First of all, it's vital to determine the shape of your face. This picture shows different face shapes that we have. Next, you should Google which hairstyles fit your face shape. Here's a pro tip. Pinterest is a great resource for exploring different styles that may resonate with your taste. Also, take into account your ethnicity, as the structure of your hair can vary based on that. African hair, for example, tends to be curlier and frizzier compared to Caucasian and Asian hair. So look at people of your own ethnicity. Popular hairstyles include the middle part, mid-taper fade with curly hair or a perm, the flow, and the buzz cut. And when you visit your barber, it's crucial to show them a picture of your desired hairstyle. If you can't grow a beard or it doesn't suit you, opt for a clean-shaven look. And if you can grow a beard, maintain it well. Step 4. Hygiene. Hygiene might just be the backbone of looking and feeling awesome. Showers are a must to start the day fresh. But did you know that shampooing your hair too often strips your hair of its natural oils? These oils help to protect your hair from damage and keep it looking healthy. When you shampoo too often, the oils are washed away, leaving your hair dry, brittle, and prone to breakage. So here's a pro tip. Try alternating with 1 day of using shampoo and the day after using conditioner. Don't forget about your dental care as well by brushing your teeth twice a day. You also need to floss or use dental sticks to remove food residues between the teeth and scrape your tongue to avoid bad breath. To combat body odor, find a deodorant or antiperspirant that suits your style and keeps you fresh throughout the day. And don't forget cologne. Fun fact, did you know smelling good can help you avoid being mistaken for a garbage can? That brings us to Step 5, Fragrance. The right scent can take your glow up to a whole new level. If you're new to fragrances, you want to have 2 signature scents in your arsenal. One for summer and one for winter. Why? Well, because each season calls for a different fragrance profile that complements the vibe of the time. For those scorching summer days, go for a fragrance that embraces lighter and fresher notes. Always opt for fragrances which have notes that you like yourself. This will improve your mood throughout the day when you smell yourself. 2 fantastic recommendations to get you started are Bleu de Chanel and Prada L'Homme. Now let's fast forward to the cozy winter season. It's time to embrace warm and spicy notes that create a captivating aura around you. Look for fragrances that feature amber, musk, cinnamon, or tobacco as base notes. If you're in need of some recommendations, Viktor and Rolf Spice Bomb and Stronger With You Intensely have got you covered. Step 6. Work on your mind and body. To achieve a complete glow up, it's essential to focus on both your body and mind. Incorporate regular exercise into your routine, aiming for activities you enjoy. While working out and exercising, make a mental note that some of the most attractive muscles to females include shoulders, back, and abs. Also, if you're new to exercise, remember to prioritize compound exercises. Compound exercise allows you to get a full body workout in less time, keeps your heart rate up to offer cardiovascular benefits, and generally burns more calories. Side by side, maintain a balanced diet with wholesome foods, while minimizing processed items and sugary snacks, and don't forget to have lots of water throughout the day. Set your sleep schedule in such a way that you sleep 8 hours a day. Pro tip, consider using lavender pillow spray to fall asleep faster and get more quality sleep. A simple and effective way to improve your happiness, well-being, and relationships is to keep a gratitude journal. This isn't only backed by science, but leaders such as the Dalai Lama are also big fans of gratitude journaling. Remember, gentlemen, true transformation begins from within. Always keep in mind that it's not just about the external changes, but also about embracing your confidence, self-care, and personal growth. Don't forget to comment down below and share which tips helped you the most.